Welcome to your social studies class. Today we will be doing the lesson 16, chapter 16, Pretty Plants. Pretty Plants. Let's start reading about plants. Plants are living things. Children, as you know that earlier I have told you what are living and non-living things. Okay, so what are plants? Plants are living things like animals and man. They also grow. Every living thing grows. That which is not living does not grow. Okay, so plants are living and that is why they grow. Look around you. You will see many plants. Do you see plants around yourself? At your home, at your school, or when you are on the road, or when you have gone somewhere? Yes, we see plants everywhere. Plants are found everywhere in the school and home, garden, in flower pots, in flower beds, farmers' field, and even on streets. Yes, plants are everywhere. Now let us see how many types of plants are there. Here are some different types of plants. Trees are big and strong plants. The first one are trees. Trees are big and strong. How are trees? They are big. They are huge. Okay, they are many times they are very tall and they are also very strong. Okay, they have a very thick bark and there are lots and lots of leaves on it. So trees are big and strong plants. They have a thick stem called a trunk. What is this? What are their stems called? Their stems are called trunk. Okay, they are also known as a trunk or even bark of the tree. Trees are big and strong plants. They have a thick stem. This is their stem, which is also called a trunk, right? Can you see the apple tree here? It has a thick trunk. And can you see the mango tree here? This one also has a thick trunk. And the guava tree and the pine tree, they have thick trunks. All right. And now let's see further. Shrubs are small and bushy plants. Herbs are soft plants that have small and green stems. What are shrubs? What is this known as? How do you pronounce it? Shrubs are small and bushy plants like rose and hibiscus. What do you mean by bushy? Bushy means where there are lots of leaves and also there can be thorns, जिसे हम झाड़ी भी बोलते हैं. Right? So shrubs are small and bushy plants like rose and hibiscus. Now what are herbs? Herbs are soft plants that have small and green stems. What are herbs? Like mint and coriander. Do you know what is mint? Mint is pudina and coriander is dhania. They have soft stems and small green stems. Okay, the stems are small, the stems are soft and they are also green. Now these are the types of plants. Let's look further. Okay, now we are on page number 86. Creepers and climbers. Creepers and climbers are plants that have very weak stems. उनकी जो stem होती है वो बहुत weak होती है. It is very weak, very thin. They cannot stand upright and straight. They climb on trees and walls for support or crawl on ground. What happens? They cannot stand on their own. They cannot stand like the trees. They cannot stand like the shrubs and the herbs. So they need a support. They need a support. So they climb on trees and walls. You must have seen money plant, right? Yes, creepers and climbers are like that for support or crawl on ground. Let us see some examples. Pea plant, जिसे हम मटर भी बोलते हैं, grape vine, okay, अंगूर, pumpkin plant, right, and watermelon. All these are examples of climbers and creepers. Climbers are pea plant and grapevine, and creepers are pumpkin plant, pumpkin को हम और क्या बोलते हैं, कद्दू, है ना, and watermelon, right, that which we eat during summers. Do you like watermelon? Yes. So now you know what is a watermelon. Watermelon are creepers and they have very their stems are very weak, so they need support. उनको किसी के सहारे की ज़रूरत होती है. Okay, plants, parts of plants. Let us see the parts of plants, and I also want you to draw this diagram in your social studies copy on the plain side. A plant has many parts. Look at this picture of the plant here. A plant has many parts. उसमें ढेर सारे parts होते. Let us look at this picture. Now we will start from here. What is this which is under the ground? They are known as roots. उनकी जो जड़ें होती हैं, जो ज़मीन के नीचे होती हैं, they are known as roots. And what is this? These are the stems. This is the stem of the plant. And what is this? This is a thorn, right? And this is a fruit of this is the fruit of the plant, and then this is the bud which comes before the flower blossoms. Have you seen the bud of a rose? Yes, it is so beautiful, and after the bud the flower blooms. Then here we see the flower, and then this is the leaf. Now we'll from top to bottom we will come again. Can you see the leaf here? Yes, this is the leaf part of the plant, this is the flower part, this is the bud which comes before the flower, then this is the fruit, this is the thorn जिसे हम कांटे भी बोलते हैं, and this is the stem, right? And these are the roots. Roots are very important, and they need lot of good soil, right? Now let's come to the next part or next page. Okay, now we will see what is here. Stages of a plant's life. Can you see here? The diagram has been given specifically here also in a different manner. This is the leaf, the flower, the fruit, and the roots. Okay, we just read about the parts of a plant. So these are the parts of the plant: the leaf, the flower, the fruit, and the roots. And learn these diagrams very nicely. I might ask them for your exam also, right children? Okay, stages of a plant's life. Okay, everything has a stage. Every living thing has a stage, right? Now let's see the stages of a plant's life. A plant grows from a seed. How does a plant grow? From where does a plant grow? A plant grows from a seed. This is the seed. A seed needs sunlight. What does this seed need? इस बीज को क्या ज़रूरत है? You might be having flowers in your home, or maybe your parents grow some vegetables also, or maybe your parents know a little about farming also. You might be going to your आप अपने गांव जाते होंगे टू योर ग्रैंड पेरेंट्स हाउस, देयर यू माइट बी सीइंग. सो सीड इज़ वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट. उसको ज़मीन में बोया जाता है. इट इज़ सोड इन द soil. Okay, and what does a seed need? Sunlight. Sunlight is very important for the seed. And what else is important? Water and air. Three things are very important for a seed to grow: sunlight, water, and air to grow into a sapling. What is this? A small seed that has been that brings about some leaves, that is known as a sapling. छोटे सा बीज जो फूट के जिसमें से निकल के कुछ पत्तियां आई हैं, it is known as a sapling. We find saplings in the market also. जब आप मार्केट जाते हैं, आपके मम्मी पापा फूल खरीदने जाते हैं, जब when your parents go to the market, flower market, they want to have some flowers at home, so they buy saplings from the flower market, right? The sapling grows into a healthy plant and then into a tree. Then what happens? Three things happen. A plant grows from a seed. A seed needs sunlight, water, and air to grow into a sapling, and then the sapling grows into a healthy plant. If the seed is not getting sunlight or water or air, it will not grow into a healthy plant. Okay, it will be a weak plant and it might die in few days. But a healthy plant, it grows with the help of sunlight, water and air, and then it grows into a beautiful strong tree. Can you see here? Right. Now let us come to the uses of plants. Some plants give us food grains such as rice, maize and wheat. Many plants give us vegetables like cabbage, beans, spinach and cauliflower. Let's read again. Some plants give us food grains, right, such as rice, chawal, maize and wheat. Many plants give us vegetables. What do plants give us? They give us grains and vegetables like cabbage, beans, spinach and cauliflower, right? Now, plants also give us fruits like mango, orange and apple. The wood that we get from trees is used to cook food and make furniture. So there are many uses of plants. It gives us grains, it gives us vegetables and it gives us fruits and it gives us wood. In villages still people burn wood and then they cook their food. Not in the urban areas, but this happens in the rural areas. गाँव में ऐसा होता है. But furniture is made out of wood. Okay children, I hope you have enjoyed the lesson. Okay, now we'll meet next time with another lesson. Goodbye and take care. God bless you.